Earn money on YouTube with YouTube Shorts just by copy and pasting. YouTube Shorts are the new feature of YouTube. Not many people take advantage this tool to make money, so YouTube Shorts are an amazing money-making opportunity. This method is simple and easy, you don't have to have any special skill, it's free because you don't have to invest money, and you can replicate this method again and again. If you want to learn how this method works, follow the whole video. This method is available all over the world. You just need the internet connection, a computer or a telephone, and you are be able to make money with this method. Hi guys, Marmone here. In my channel I upload video about how to make money online. Every week I upload video that show you different make money method. If you want to learn new method, make sure to click the like button, subscribe and active the notification bell for receive notify every time I upload a video. YouTube's 100 million shorts found to challenge TikTok goes live. So YouTube give to creator over $100 million in YouTube short found. So it's like the TikTok found, so you don't have to have partner program, you just can earn money directly by uploading this content, YouTube shorts, that are like TikTok videos. So how is a shorts? As you can see, these are a simple example of what shorts are. As you can see, this type of video, you can see this type of videos are really short. They can last a maximum of 60 seconds. And as you can see, they are very similar to TikTok's videos. And as you can see how many views these channels had. And as you can see, this type of video was uploaded 4 weeks ago and has over than 120 million visuals in just less than a month. So as you can see, this channel has 4.8 million of subscribers, and the most popular videos are shorts. As you can see, 4 weeks ago, 2 months ago, 4 months ago, 3 months ago, and all has more than 30 million visuals. This is such incredible. And as you can see, all are like TikTok's videos. So how you can make videos without showing your face, without recording videos too. And if we go on Social Blade, we can see that this channel made almost 500 million visuals in 30 days. And this is just because they upload YouTube Shorts. So this is a great opportunity right now. You can become famous with YouTube Shorts. And as you can see, if we see total subscribers, we can see that in October 2020 they have 10,000 subscribers. In less than a year they made 4 million subscribers. In less than a year they made 4 million subscribers. And as you can see, also the visual grow up from 3 million visual weekly to 50 million, 60 million, 70 million, 100 million, etc, etc. So this channel grow up just uploading YouTube shorts, and is pretty amazing. So now go on TikTok and let's see how you can create a content without showing your face. As you can see, this channel is called Daily Facts. He upload videos, simple videos about facts of over the world. He just upload videos in a background and write a facts. For example, girl facts, relationship facts, male secrets. So this content are for teenager. And as you can see, this channel has more than 20 million likes and more than 1 million followers. For example, this video, relationship facts, was uploaded 1 day ago and reached more than 100,000 views. And in this video I show you how you can do it too. So now I show you how you can do it. So now in this video I show you exactly how you can do this type of content in an easy way. You don't have to do any work, you don't have to register any type of video. You can do all the work with your phone or computer. So for do this type of job, you need to search on Google canva.com, click on it, and as you can see, this is the site. You can see that you can create different type of thing like a presentation, social media, video, marketing, etc. You can search on this search bar what you want, but the first thing you have to do is sign up. So the first thing you have to do is click on sign up and insert your email, etc. Or you can sign up with Google or Facebook. So now all you have to do is search TikTok videos because shorts are similar like TikTok videos. And as you can see, there are some templates. So for example, choose this one and delete some of this text and also the background. As you can see right here, you can choose different templates. You don't have to care about any copyright issue because this video are 100% free, but some are Pro 1, so some are not free. For example, this one Pro, but the majority of these templates are free. For example, choose this one and delete the text. Now go to text and choose this one and write, for example, mail facts. You can zoom it or zoom out. Oh, this text must be deleted. And we have these. We can choose the color, for example, red, yellow, orange, white. I prefer white, and I want to insert. You can choose style, for example, shadow, glitch, neon. For example, choose glitch and choose elements. Now modify a little bit. I don't like so much the brown color, so for example black. Okay. And after that you can insert, for example, write a study found that men are. I don't write the whole text because it isn't important, you have to learn the process. We can edit the text, we can zoom it and zoom out, you can change the color. So for example, I don't like white or black, I modify the text. For example, a study found that men are, etc, etc. So when we finish, click download it. You need to choose MP4 file, and this process take a couple of seconds. You just wait, and after that you can upload it. For upload the file on YouTube, you can click on this button right here and upload video. So upload the file, and for the title, for example, write mail facts. But important thing you have to write is hashtag shorts, because if a person write hashtag shorts on YouTube, he can find your video in the search, also in the description, and the video is finished. Okay, now you know how to create videos for YouTube. With YouTube Shorts, you can upload 3 or 4 videos a day. This type of video can go viral in easy way, but you don't have to expect to reach 100,000 subscribers in a day. It is a long time process. So the video is finished, I hope you like. If the answer is yes, click on the like button, subscribe and activate the notification bell. We will see to the next. Bye!